Today we will study integration. So before starting integration, we have to read little bit differentiation, because differentiation we have to study. We have use of differentiation in integration. So first we have to study little bit basic level of differentiation, then we will study integration. So differentiation, okay. So some formula we have to read some formula. Number 1, dy by dx of any constant, let's say constant is c, is equal to 0, where c is what? Any constant. Okay. Number 2, dy by dx of x to the power n by dx, where n is not equal to -1. Okay. So dx to the power n by dx is equal to n minus 1. Okay, where n is any power. Okay, next, number 3, dy by dx of log of e x dx. Okay, this log of e can also be written as ln x. Okay, ln x. D ln x by dx is equal to 1 by x. 4, number 4, d sin x by dx is equal to cos x. Number 5, d cos x dx is equal to minus sin x. Written all. Okay, next, number 6, d tan x by dx is equal to sec square x. Next, number 7, dy by d cot x by dx is equal to minus cosec square x. Okay, d cot x dx is equal to minus cosec square x. Number 8. Next, d sec x by dx is equal to sec x tan x. Number 9, d cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Okay, dy by dx of cosec x dx is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Okay, right? All right. Next formula, number 10, differentiation of e to the power x by dx is equal to e to the power x. So basic level differentiation formula is completed. Now we will read some rules of differentiation. Rules of differentiation. Okay, so rules number 1, dy by dx k fx dx, where k is a constant. So while differentiating this type of function, the constant will always come out. So we have to write k outside. Why? Because k is constant. Understand? Why? Because k is constant. So dfx by dx. For example, let's say differentiation of 3x to the power 4 plus 2x plus 3. You want to differentiate this? Okay, later. Only simple problem we will do first. Then we will go, after that we will do. For example, look. So we want to differentiate this. So look, here you have constant, and this is what? X, and this is n. So this is constant k, this is x, and this is n. So we will use which formula? Differentiation of x to the power n. Okay, so we will use this formula. Look, differentiation of kx to the power n by dx is equal to k outside. Then we will have to differentiate x to the power n dx, which is equal to, what is the formula of x to the differentiation of x to the power n dx? This is n into x to the power n minus 1. This is your formula. This is your one type of formula. So you can write this formula. Okay, now we will use this formula here. Okay, we will use this formula here. So we will use this. So look, Here k is 3, so constant, so 3 will come out. Then dx to the power 4 by dx. Okay, next we will use x to the power dy by dx of x to the power n. So 4e will come out, which we will multiply with 3 and x to the power n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, which is equal to 12 x to the power 3. Understand? Okay. Understand? Okay, next. Next rule. Now we will study next rule. For example, differentiation of u plus v plus u plus v plus w plus z. All these are functions. Okay. Now suppose that you want to differentiate all these functions. Now what we will do, first rule says first separate this. This is plus minus, okay, plus minus any both. So where u, v, w and z are functions. Now we want to differentiate this. So rule says first separate this. So first we will separate this. Okay, first we will separate this. Okay, now after separation we will differentiate this. Okay, now for example you want to differentiate d 3x cube plus 2x square plus, let's say, 3. So what we have to do? First we have to separate this. So d 3x cube dx plus d 2x square dx plus d3 by dx. Now we will use the formula, which little while k into x to the power n dy by d differentiation of k x to the power n, that formula. So 3 will come out and this 3 is n, so x to the power minus 1 plus this 2 will come out into 2 x to the power 2 minus 1, and this is constant, so 0. So your answer is 9x. So your answer is 9x square plus 4x. Understand? So this is one rule. Okay, next rule number 3. Differentiation of uv, where uv is a function. So first what we will do, bring u outside and then differentiate v with respect to x, and now bring v outside, then differentiation of u by dx. Okay, example, for example, okay, for example, let's say cos differentiation of x cos x dx. Now let's say this is u and this is v. So what, first we have to bring out u outside, so x d cos x by dx. Now v will come out, so cos x dx dx. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so minus sin x, and differentiation of x is 1, so answer is minus x sin x sin x plus cos x. Okay, understand? Okay, next comes rule number 4. Next, okay, one more rule before 4, one more rule regarding sim. For example, there is 3 functions, u, v, w is there, and this is there. So in this case, what you say, consider this as u and this as v. So first we will use this, so u and v will come out, then dw by dx, okay, plus now w will come out and du by dx. Now look, here we will apply differentiation of du v by dx. So what will happen, here is u v dw by dx plus w. Now here we will apply that formula, so this is, once again u will come out, dv by dx, okay, dv by dx plus v will come out du by dx. Okay, next, rule number 4, differentiation of u by v dx. So here what you have to do, this rule we have to apply, v square, then du by dx minus du, this is u, next u come out, dv by dx. This formula we have to apply. Example, differentiation of x sin x, x by sin x, dx. So sin is v, x is u, so here you have to write sin square x, okay, sin x, okay, then differentiation of x by dx minus, now what, now v is what, sin x, u is x will come out, and d sin x by dx. Okay, so here is only sin x minus, and this is differentiation of sin x is cos x by sin square x. Understand? Okay, right. Next, d f ax plus b by dx is equal to what? So this type problem, what, how you will do? First we will differentiate this f dash ax plus b, then we will differentiate inside this. Okay, so then we have to differentiate ax plus b. Okay, then we will get f dash ax plus b, and this is your a. Okay, so answer is a into f dash ax plus b. This is the formula, so write this formula. So example, we want to differentiate 3x plus 2 power square dx. I want to differentiate, so 2 will come out, and 3x plus 2 to the power minus 1 into differentiation of inside. So d 3x plus 2 by dx, which is equal to 2 3x plus 2 into 3. So answer is 6 3x plus 2, which is equal to 18x plus 12. Understand?